Yes, good afternoon, students. So now we finished the syllabus. So we are going to revise the syllabus. Okay, just take the chapters. First chapter we did. Second we complete. Third we complete. Fourth we complete. Okay, four chapters this, and then circulatory system we will do in the fifth chapter. Will be in the second semester. Okay, this cut from the syllabus, and circulatory we also do in the second semester. Okay, then excretory we did already, we did. Then nervous system, recently we complete this chapter. Sense organs we already complete. Endocrine we already complete. Reproductive we will do in the second semester. And rest of the chapter, rest of the three chapters, they cut from the syllabus. Okay, so it means very less syllabus is there, but we already complete that syllabus. Now I am going to start the revision. Okay, from the first chapter. So that is a cell cycle. We already do this chapter in the school, but again I am going to repeat this chapter. Okay, what is the cell cycle? Cell cycle is what? Every cell capable of division phases through the recurring events. Some are the events they are repeated in the cell cycle, so they are called the cell cycle. Repeating events, basically they are called the cell cycle. Okay, in this case, in the cell cycle, sequence of events including duplication of DNA होती है, synthesis of the constituents होता है, growth division होती है cell की, undergoes. ठीक है, then this all the sequence events, they are called the cell cycle. Okay, duration of the cell cycle, basically that is two successive reproductions is there, divisions are there. Cell cycle consists of the interphase and the mitotic phase. So interphase is a resting phase, non dividing phase. Okay, just see this cell cycle here. G1, this from here to here is the interphase. This is the longest phase. Okay, interphase. It is also called the resting phase of the cell, but in this case the cell is not in the resting position, but it's not dividing it. Okay, so first is the G1 phase, growth phase. ठीक है, first growth phase. In the first growth phase, there is a DNA synthesis take place basically. Okay, then S phase, synthesis phase, and the synthesis phase up to 8 hours रहता है, and DNA synthesis take place. ठीक है, then G2 phase, then after the here pre-DNA synthesis. Okay, cell grow in size in this case, then DNA synthesis take place, then here already the DNA synthesis, post DNA synthesis है, यहाँ पे RNA की synthesis होएगी, cell grow in size, duplication of the organelles will be there. Okay, that all take place over up to the here. This is the interphase. ठीक है, तो we have a G1, G2, S phase. Then after the interphase there is a mitosis M phase or mitotic phase. Mitotic phase have the four phases. We already discussed: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So in the case of this is the interphase, the cell is laying over here. You can see centrosome, ठीक है, centriole, non dividing organelle is living over here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे है ये. Then nuclear envelope is there. Chromosome, they are just like the chromatin network, thread like. Cytoplasm, cell membrane, everything is there. Nucleolus present. So this interphase. Here the RNA proteins are synthesized. Okay, and volume of the cytoplasma increase. Growth होती है cell की. G1 phase में यही होता है. Then into the G2 phase, DNA synthesis take place. Duplication of the chromosomes, carbon copy बना ली जाती है. Then in the case of G2 phase, this is a shorter phase. ठीक है, then here the synthesis of stops basically. Then formation of RNA proteins necessary cell division, they take place in this case. इतना ही आपको याद रखना है इसमें. Then mitotic phase. In the mitotic phase we have a four phases. Okay, it is the dividing phase. Here the cell divides basically of the cell, during which nucleus as well as the cytoplasm divided into two daughter cells. Okay, cytoplasm and nucleus, both the division of nucleus and the cytoplasm both take place. It has the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So everyone have the different characteristics. Okay, types of the cell division, there are the two kind of division, mitotics and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis division is a type of division in which the single cell divide and produce two daughter cells basically. Okay, they produce two daughter cells. So we are going to start with the mitosis. In our syllabus, mitosis cell division in the detail. Here the single cell, a cell divide into two daughter cells, ठीक है, containing similar main character, similar and same number of chromosomes. 2n number of chromosomes are there basically. Okay, in this case the number of chromosome is a 2n. That is the reason it is called equational cell division. Why it is called the equational cell division? Because the chromosome type of division in which the chromosome remains same as the parent cell. If the parent cell have a suppose 10 chromosome, then daughter cells also will be followed by the 10 chromosomes. Okay, so it means कि this is the equational cell division. This type of cell division take place in the somatic cells of the body. You have to remember this. This type of division is take place in the somatic cells during the growth, development, repair. ठीक है, and development and repair of the organism. This is called the somatic cell division basically. Okay, somatic cell division जो है in the somatic cells of the body. Okay.